Meaning of freshener.
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 Freshener. The term freshener refers to a product, substance or device that is used to remove unpleasant odors or add a pleasant fragrance to a particular space, object or surface. Common examples of fresheners include air fresheners for rooms or vehicles, fabric fresheners for clothes and other textiles, and breath fresheners for oral hygiene. The main purpose of using a freshener is to improve the overall smell of something and to create a more pleasant environment for people to live in or interact with. Fresheners come in a wide range of styles, scents and formats to suit different needs and preferences.